Hello and welcome to the next video in the xDIM dimensioning training series of videos. Today we'll focus on best practices and common errors when taking dimensions of boxes. We'll do some additional videos for other object types later on. For now we'll focus on boxes. For a user with experience using the dimensioning system, we should be looking at a time to capture in the sub-second range, and here's how we can achieve that. First, we'll ensure we're using the correct measurement method by navigating to the bottom left of the screen and ensuring we're in the corner box method. Once we've done that, we can position ourselves roughly 2 to 3 feet away from the object at a minimum with the corner of the box facing us. It'll snap on pretty quickly when guided correctly, and there you go. I'll do that one more time with a similar box, navigating up to the corner and allowing it to grab that box. Next, we'll look at a few points to help ensure a quick time to capture when dimensioning a box. First, we want to ensure that the corner of the box is facing directly to us. The on-screen user guidance for this method indicates that the corner needs to be facing us and the on-screen guidance is lined up with that corner, thus resulting in a quick time to capture. Another point we can look at here is the distance away from the object. At roughly a 2 feet minimum is the distance we want to be. One way we can help to troubleshoot this and make sure we are at the proper distance is opening up the three-dimensional depth map found in the bottom right of your screen. When you're too close to the object, you'll see black information on that depth map indicating you're too close to the object. As you pull in and out, you'll see that populate back on the screen. When you're too far away from the objects, you'll see them disappear into the colors on that depth map. What we're looking for is solid colors, with blue being closest and red being furthest away. Using the small box, we can check our distance from the object using the three-dimensional depth map. When we're too close to the object, you'll see speckled black on that screen. As we move further away from the object, we'll begin to see blues and reds. And when we're at a good distance and proper orientation from the object, the system will capture. For a larger object, you may see some challenges in capturing due to the height of the object on the cart. As you can see, we're getting some speckled black there, as well as mixed colors in the background. One common scenario we see more success with is utilizing a shorter cart. With a more natural distance from the object, we see a sub-second capture. We often see customers utilizing a cart for smaller objects and items. When going through a series of larger objects, we often see them utilizing a lower cart or just using the floor. We'll take a look at a few more examples of capturing dimensions of boxes with this large box. One thing we want to be focused on here is ensuring proper orientation with the corner of the box facing us. As we step back, lining up the user guidance system, we'll still see a sub-second capture. Another common example we see are taller boxes. To maintain a proper 45-degree angle from the object with the corner facing us, we may find it challenging to have a proper ergonomic feel for that dimension. It did capture it there, but another way you could do this is orienting the object down while maintaining that 45-degree angle for a sub-second capture. For smaller and shorter boxes, we'll follow a similar best practices process with the corner of the box facing us at a 45-degree angle. If oriented correctly, we'll see a sub-second capture. Another example would be large boxes. In contrast to the boxes we've done so far, where we deploy the corner method with the corner of the box facing us, capturing in one step, for large boxes, really anything over 48 inches up to about 10 feet, we want to deploy the two-step method. The idea here is we capture one face of the box and then move to a second face to capture the remaining dimensions. To begin that, we navigate to the two-step method on the bottom left of your screen with the 2 icon. We'll now capture the dimensions of a large box. To begin this process, we'll aim the center crosshairs at the center of the box. In this case, it's a bit lower and we want to fill the screen with the box, so we'll orient the tablet a bit low allowing the system to capture the first step of the two-step method. We'll then repeat the process on the second face. Press the play button, move to the second face, again filling the screen with the box and capturing the second face. For more information, contact us today and be sure to watch the additional xDIM 101 training videos relating to more in-depth details for each dimensioning category.